The Manipur Petroleum Tankers Drivers Union launched a strike and went on rally to protest against the murder of oil tanker driver Sanjoy Thapa of Ghazpani, Medzifema, Nagaland, and his 19-year-old assistant Romesh Limbu, a resident of Fedinga in Imphal. The duo were killed by miscreants in Sibsagar, Assam, while transporting high-speed diesel in their tanker from Tinsukia in Assam to Manipur. The Tanker Drivers Union marched with the coffin carrying the dead body of Limbu from Kuman Lampak in Imphal to his home in Fedinga, carrying black flags and besieging the governments of Manipur, Assam and Nagaland to provide more safety to drivers, as they were often targeted by militants and other anti-social miscreants en route.
Anti-social elements have done these criminal acts, but I press to the government, not only Assam, in Manipur also, to look after the oil tanker driver and the bullet driver, gas bullet driver.
Over 3,000 youth, including both young boys and girls of Manipur, participated in Run for Your Nation Mega Marathon in Imphal, Manipur on Sunday, the 16th of February. Sporting white shirts with the main theme of Run for Your Nation boldly embossed, the youth ran a distance of 25 kilometers from the Kuman Lampak Sports Complex. They were cheered by local people who lined up the streets. Shanjit Luwang, bearing number 0979, emerged winner in the men's category, while Premila won in the women's category. Both got rupees 30,000 each as prize money. The second and third position holders in both men and women's categories received rupees 20,000 each, while the runners who ended up between 4th to the 15th position got rupees 2,000 each. This is the 8th edition of Mega Marathon Run for Your Nation held in Manipur.
I ahamba oina yawju phang mamang da ai yawin khanja ke du khudong sa da ka mayong na gi marong hanan aham na yawjab ne masi leba ki da mut yan phabu yan asuke mut yan nungai je du leba ki da mut khallaga aina thawai sang yawna ka thok sagani du na ha oi bisin aina paujil kya ju pijagani asumba masana se lamje asumba masana se thawai yawna yawbi haina aina.
In our next section today, we shall introduce you to a low-profile Columbus who did not go out to discover new lands but went out of his way to discover new talents in himself which are immensely beneficial to the society.
This is the story of real India. India where government has built schools but has not been able to force teachers to come and teach. India where children from villages might not have shoes but have smiles on their lips and are eager to learn how to read and write. This is also the story of good hearts like Chowkidar Columbus D. Sangma, who inspires people from a small village called Kinangaon, about 70 kilometers away from Assam's capital Guwahati. 40-year-old Columbus once aspired to be a teacher, but as he could get education only till class 10th, he had to be content at being a guard at the Kinangaon Middle English School, which was established in 1963. Today, the school has 61 students, including 32 girls, eager to study, but as in many parts of India, has only 2 teachers who are unable to take the entire load. So Columbus has stepped in since 1996 and can be seen teaching Garo language, which is his mother tongue, and drawing to the students. This is not an one-off situation. Village headman Benedict Areng said that there are around 70 Garo lower primary schools in the Kamruk district, of which 68 have single teacher, while the remaining 2 have 2 teachers. There are over 7 lakh Garo people living in Assam, so the situation is not really a happy one.
इस गांव में दो स्कूल है, एक अपर प्राइमरी एक लोअर प्राइमरी स्कूल। इस स्कूल में बहुत छात्र छात्रियाँ है, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली दोनों स्कूल में टीचर बहुत कमती है। इसीलिए एमई स्कूल का जो चौकीदार है श्री कोलंबस सांगमा, वो शुरू से पिछले 16 साल से इधर टीचिंग के अलावा वो स्कूल में भी चौकीदारी भी करता है और टीचिंग भी देता है। इसीलिए हम लोगों को बहुत हेल्प मिलता है, स्कूल को भी हेल्प मिलता है। इसीलिए हम लोग कोलंबस के ऊपर बहुत गर्व है।
Well, viewers, it's time for us now to bid adieu to all of you for the day. Check out whether your name features in the list of 3 contest winners.
For the contest section, we had asked you to name the Joint Commissioner of Delhi Police from the Northeast. The answer is Robin Hibu, and the winners are Techi Tanyang from Sepa, Arunachal Pradesh, Gumjum Rabha from Golaghat, Assam, and Dani Sering from Gangtok, Sikkim.
Congratulations, lucky winners! We will send your gift checks shortly. For others who want to take part in this contest, answer a simple question. Name the choir group that we featured in our episode today. Send in your answers to youth_folio@yahoo.com or SMS to 94354 Watch out for next Thursday's edition of Youth Folio at 4:30 p.m. on DD Northeast. You could also check out the past episodes on the net in the YouTube. So happy watching, goodbye and take care.